Good afternoon, dear children. Hope you all are well and enjoyed your weekend. So, it's a new start, it's a new day of the week. And one more thing, that today we are going to start a new chapter of EVS, the chapter Earth. It is chapter number 10 of your EVS book, given on page number 70. This chapter you will find very interesting because this is related to somewhat on which we live, which is our home planet. So, let's start. Earth is our home planet. We all live on planet Earth. And I'm sure that by now you all are aware of this fact that we live on planet Earth. Isn't it? Okay. Earth has been called Goldilocks planet. Now you will be thinking, who is this Goldilocks? So, I'm going to tell you a short story that in the story, Goldilocks and the three bears, a little girl named Goldilocks liked everything just right. Like her porridge couldn't be too hot, too cold. Means the thing she used to eat is neither too hot nor too cold. And her bed couldn't be too hard or too soft. In the same way, on Earth, everything is just right for living things or living beings. It is neither too warm, neither too hot. It has water in right amount. So Earth is the only planet known to have liquid water. Liquid water is important for life. And Earth is the only planet where life has been found. There is no other planet till now where life exists, and scientists are still working on this field, that they are searching for existence of life in any other planet. But till date, no other planet is found to have life. So, we people are very lucky that we exist on planet Earth. Children, do you know how does the Earth look from space? So, today we all will go to a journey to the space by closing our eyes and just imagining ourselves that we are in space. And imagine that you are in space and all the heavenly bodies are revolving in the space. You can see many planets, and out of all those planets you can see a planet which is like a big ball, and it appears like blue marble with white swirls. Do you know what is the meaning of swirls? It is something moving in twisting and spiraling pattern. So one planet out of those planets will appear to you like a blue marble with white swirls, and many parts of that blue marble like planet will appear brown, yellow, green and white. And that planet is our planet Earth. The blue part is water. The water covers most of the earth. The white swirls are clouds. They are representing clouds which are floating on earth. That's why they appear swirling around the earth. The brown, yellow and green parts are land, and white parts are ice and snow. Isn't our planet Earth looks very beautiful? Yes, definitely. It is very, very unique planet. Do Earth was always like we see it today? So the answer is no. The Earth looked totally different to the Earth we live on today. Initially, it was like a giant ball of fire. So now I'll tell you how the Earth came into existence. Let me take you to flashback. The story begins more than 4.5 billion years ago, even before the dinosaurs existed. There was a space, only space. There was a big cloud of gas that had been swirling and spinning past each other. This gas and dust soon became a ball which started to get bigger and bigger because of force called gravity. Some of the gas and dust started clumping together and got converted into a planet. This is how Earth formed, and many other planets formed. There are many volcanoes all over the place on Earth with hot lava and gas everywhere. But slowly, over many years, Earth started to cool down. Some rocks full of ice and gas hit it and melted and make the sea. This is continuing today also. Every year, many space rocks hit on our planet, but slowly, over many years, the top layer of the earth cool enough to harden, and we call it crust. Earth crust. It is like crust of bread. Deep down underground, the earth, still we find it melted hot rocks. Means on the top part, the earth is hardened and will live on that part. But in the inner side, the earth is still in molten form. Over time, as earth cooled, water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers were formed and land were formed. Then came the first living beings. Children, do you know that first living beings, they originated in oceans? Means first living beings, they came into existence in oceans. And then the life forms appeared on land. Slowly the earth kept changing and more living organisms appeared on its surface. So this is all about today's EVS session, and today we have come to know that how earth appears from outer space and how the formation of earth took place, how earth came into existence and what changes came in earth till now. Hope you enjoyed today's EVS session.